Hey, we're playing Left 4 Dead 2. Yeah, we're playing Hard Rain. That bitch campaign.
Yeah. Coach, I'm on his coach because he thinks he's black, and I'm Nick because tits.
Just because I'm coach doesn't mean I think I'm black. For God's sakes, use racist.
Did you just say use razors?
Use racist, motherfucker! I don't know.
Just offshore, waiting for you.
Virgil! No! Come back!
Let's just get the gas.
When you're just being retarded in the elevator.
No. Shh.
Orange soda with no ice and a piece of hot apple pie. God damn, I miss Burger Tech. Mother!
Thank God I still have to cut them sounds.
Mother!
Alright.
I'm just gonna go in this toilet, and when I come out, I want me to be hosting.
You gotta quit moving so I can heal you.
Wait, what?
Oh, yeah.
You say you're gonna be in the toilet and you wanna what? Ew, what? Oh God, no. He's giving a ghost a blowjob. What the fuck? Ellis, why aren't you in there? Get in there! Dude, ew! Your head's sticking out. Your head was sticking out of the door. Just like, it's like, oh God! What's that? Oh God!
The tongue fell through the door.
Dude, no, get out! No, get out! I want to show you. No, fuck you.
The house, to the side of the thing.
Oh God, that's horrifying. I need to take a screenshot. Hi, Nick. You been doing them drugs again?
This is all going to hell. Screw this.
Mother!
Everybody, tits.
Oh my God, this is retarded.
Everybody tits.
Screw this.
Whoops.
We're gonna be
Yes.
alright! Mother!
Leave her there.
Even Ellis doesn't care. Ellis doesn't even care. And he's the boss.
Ellis is all like looking at you.
Don't give a shit. Go up, Ellis.
Look out.
Oh look, more health kits. Wait. Oh no AK.
Come on, y'all, get inside.
Oh, this is a safe house. Okay.
Come on, y'all, get inside now.
Oh God, what the fuck?
You need to save me from Rochelle.
Hey, get your ass. I ain't leaving you, but you better get up.
Well, I guess we gotta help the bitch anyways. But we gotta help Coach quick. Oh, fuck me.
Fire coming.
You dumb shit.
Help.
There's a charger.
You set Rochelle
Oh, for
on
fuck's
fire.
sake, die!
You just grenaded me?
There we go.
You're an asshole.
And now I'll write my book and say, it was I, Dr. Face, who survived only by eating the flesh of Coach and Ellis, who bravely sacrificed themselves for the will of greater good.
Bullshit!
They lighten up this whole place. We gotta get
Do you see that?
Are you look at Coach, it's just a whole like, what the fuck did he just do to me? That kid's crazy. Oh, God. This is a pain in the ass. What the fuck, Rochelle? Best death from Michelle ever. There's no time for an orgasm right now.
Just had a little lesbian attack when she saw that sexy witch.
A lesbian attack when she saw that. You got a point there. Oh shit! Did you see that?
Oh, what happened?
The fucking I shot the jock and he did a front flip. I caught that on recording. That was amazing.
Up here.
Coach, are you okay?
Surprise, cockbags!
Oh shit! There's a tank! Oh shit! shit, where'd he go? Oh god, there's fucking Kardashian right there.
Oh god! Help! I'm gonna die! Oh god, oh god, oh god! I'm literally right.
I'm coming! Hold your
Ow.
tits! Alright, I got you. Ow! 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 Oh god!
Out of the way!
Oh shit, Coach is just down there! Oh god! Oh my god! This is the worst thing ever! Oh, did you fall?
He shit me into the car!
Oh shit! Oh god, there's a midget in fucking hunter! Oh my... What the fuck was that?
He hit us off the edge, that's why we died. Oh my Coach!
That's what I'm talking about.
Coach, breathe, man, breathe. Yeah, that's right. Sidestep, that's right. Oh god.
What is wrong with Coach?
I don't know.
You can't breathe and you're ganging up on him like that.
He's got an asthma attack. He has an asthma attack. Oh my god.
What smoke?
The worst part is like coughing on you. And he's all looking at me like, I think Coach is allergic to you, Face. Look at Nick. Look at Nick. He's just all like, Coach, are you okay? What? You got a little something on your nose there. Keep an eye on that tank. He's seriously gonna about.
Yes, we are vampires.
What tank?
Oh my god! Are you kidding me, Face?
Hell? I pressed forward and he didn't stop.
Lang.
Oh, shut up, Coach.
Okay, shut up. Oh shit!
No, I can make him cough.
Coach?
You're looking good, Coach.
Coach?
How are you, Coach?
Coach?
Let's get to the safe room.
You're looking good, Coach.
I
hate it.
Oh, why? I think he stopped breathing.
Face, you're silent.
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
Just watching you die again.
I don't want to see this.
Oh no, I'm out of ammo!
That's a pistol.
Give me your Coach, Jesus!
Elevator's here.
I'm covered in vile and hanging on a ledge. This ain't good.
Get to the elevator now! Oh god, there's Kim Kardashian! Don't go in the elevator! Ah!
God, you guys suck!
Bitch.
God damn it!
Grabbing a shot.
I do not like that area. Whoa, that motion blur.
Get your ass moving, Nick.
Get your ass moving, Nick.
Get your ass moving, Nick.
Get your ass.
Moving, Nick.
It's Coach's new hit single, Get Your Ass Moving.
Get
Featuring
your
Nick.
ass. Get your moving ass.
Jockey!
Bam!
Come on, man. It's not funny anymore.
Goddamn midgets.
I don't know shit.
Ain't coming in for a show.
Shit. I
I don't know shit. Get your ass moving.
Whatever. Oh, shut up, Nick.
Introducing Coach Z.
I don't know shit. Get your ass moving. Oh shit! Looks like a cheeseburger apocalypse. Oh, shut up, Nick.
Oh, too bad it's already been taken though.
I was the best at pole vaulting.
Oh, damn it!
Nice.
Wanna lend me a hand here?
So good.
And I'm the one who Jesus!
Damn it! Too many zombies! Where's the boat?
Oh, is that a tank I hear? Oh, that's a hunter.
Oh, monster.
The boat's coming. You just gotta wait.
Where is it?
Are you kidding me? You fucking kidding me? Oh my god.
Shut the hell up! fix Coach's windpipe.
What are you gonna do? Shoot him? Would you go?
What the hell?
There we go. I cut out his windpipe. I cut out his windpipe. You can't do it anymore.
It
Huh?
never fucking gets old.
He's seriously gonna about.
What time?
Oh my god! Are you kidding me, Face?
I was the best at pole vaulting.
Oh, damn it!
Oh, nice! And I'm the one who Jesus! Fuck me.
You
Get
ain't
through that.
getting me. You ain't getting me with your med kit, Rochelle.
No, open
What the
that.
hell?
Here's Coach.
I have to take care.
Oh, son of a bitch. Or son of a witch.
Ah!
That was just
Where the
Jesus!
hell did he come from?
Reloading.